Hi everyone, I'm Zahra and this is Zaid. The last video we made, he was still on the inside. He is now 2.5 months and he's very ready for Monti Kids Level 2. So I wanted to open that up with all of you. I'm going to put Zaid on his play mat under his Level 1 activity gym. And we'll see if he can make it through the whole video. So this is Monti Kids Level 2. It comes, like all of our kits, with a toy timeline that explains when to introduce all of the toys over the course of 3 months. So your baby will use these toys for much longer than 3 months, but this is just a guide on when to introduce them according to your baby's developmental needs. We also have our videos that guide you through the program, dripped to a parent's email every week. He's very talkative. And the written guides, which are very short, designed for busy parents, but they explain how to use all of the toys, the benefits of all of the toys, and all the research behind all of this. So we really just try and guide you through your child's development. So this is the wooden book. It's the first toy in Level 2. The American Pediatric Association recommends reading with your baby right from birth, but not a lot of parents are taught how to read with their baby. And so it's actually very different from reading with a toddler or reading with a preschooler. And our video that comes along with this product teaches you how to do that. So it's actually one of my favorite videos in our whole program. So that's the book. The overarching purpose of Level 1 Monti Kids was really to foster your baby's concentration right from birth. And the overarching purpose of Level 2 is to help them gain control and mastery of their hands and of their core. So we have a lot of small rattles and grasping toys that meet those needs. I was actually, one of the reasons I was inspired to start Monti Kids after my first child was born was because I was looking for things like this, and it was so difficult to find things that were light enough and small enough for babies this age, and still safe. So I'm gonna just open up the boxes and show you all of these. One of my favorite quotes from Dr. Maria Montessori is, "The hands are the tools of the mind." And we know that's true for all people, but it's especially true for young children who really need these rich, hands-on experiences because they're such sensorial learners. So these toys provide for that. And they're all designed with a different purpose. So some of them are really great for when your child is practicing the skill of hand-to-hand transfer. Some of them are more flexible or have some movement, which provide different grasping challenges for your baby. So they're all designed with a different purpose. And they're also really, really helpful for the development of the core, which I was talking about, because at this age it's really important for a baby to spend a lot of time on the floor playing on their stomach and on their back. This is what will build up their core strength for crawling and eventually walking and all those gross motor skills. And there's a lot of babies who do not like tummy time. And one of the ways to extend those tummy time sessions and that floor play is by having a great variety of these types of toys that are really engaging for them. So you can cycle through them as they're playing. The next toy in the box are our first blocks. It is actually wonderful for babies this age. And children of all ages to play with blocks. They learn so much in terms of principles, mathematical principles, principles of physics, their spatial reasoning, their motor skills, of course. The best kind of blocks to play with are unit blocks, which are designed to be mathematically proportional to one another. But most unit blocks are designed for preschoolers, so for bigger hands. And at Monti Kids, we have unit blocks that are perfect for little hands, for children under 3. And so our video for this toy shows you how you go about introducing blocks right at this age. So I'm just going to take some out because they're all different shapes and sizes. And then in the video you see how these will, of course, grow with your child throughout the toddler years and right up through preschool. My 5-year-old still really loves these. So those are our first blocks. And the last toy in this set is actually not a toy at all. It's the dining set, and it is used once you're ready to introduce your baby to eating solid food. So we'll probably start using it around 6 months. And the video that comes with the dining set really shows how to promote independent eating. And that is fantastic for children in terms of developing their fine motor skills, their confidence, and also just their love for food and for meal times, which can also be a struggle. It's also a bonus for parents when your child can eat independently and you don't have to help them throughout the preschool years, which I know a lot of people struggle with. So this is Monti Kids Level 2, and if you have any questions, feel free to write to us, put it in the comments below. We are very excited to play, so I'm gonna turn off the video and get to it. Thank you.